This is the most special video doorbell that I've seen for 5 different reasons. Number 1, it is made by Blink, an Amazon company, which means that it fully integrates with all Alexa-enabled devices. 2, it is one of the most affordable video doorbells on the market, starting at just $49.99. 3, you can install it wired or wired-free. 4, its AA batteries can last you for 2 years when you connect it to the sync module too. I have no idea how Amazon managed to achieve this. And 5, it's got a 1080p HD ultra-wide video feed. Check out the Blink video doorbell directly on Amazon.